we're here with Jay Jorn, and he brought his Winnebago. We did a trike setup with Sanchez and a couple bikes carries. He's headed out to the balloon fiesta and came back to show us what he did. So he created these Tiedowns, which is really cool. This is what we wanted to bring up. He had these welded on, and they're actually bolted too, huh?
Yeah, it's bolted. He made this and he cut it.
Yeah.
You know, the size we needed. We wanted it to come out far enough.
So it's got the holes on top where you can tie into right there. And it's repeated on both sides. It's going right to above the jack, the leveling jack. And it's super solid. It actually created a really nice independent interface of beyond the receiver itself. So it's really stabilizing the rack super well. This is one of the best ones we've seen. Wanted to bring this to you guys. Again, this is a Winnebago View. It's a Class C. It's a Class C RV. All right, thanks, Jay, for bringing it.
Cool.
Anyway, this is Ali from ALTA Racks. Have a good day, y'all.